begin using Island Secure Cloud Backup with Veeam, the first step you'll need to do is add Island as a service provider in your Veeam console. To do that, we'll go to Backup Infrastructure, Service Providers, and Add Service Provider. We'll fill out the wizard using the information provided to you by an Island project manager. In my case, I'm backing up to Dallas. However, depending on the location or data center you're backing up to, this DNS name may change. On the next page, we'll make sure our certificate is verified, and we'll add in our credentials. Again, these credentials will be provided to you by an Island project manager. Once you have your credentials entered, hit OK, and then we'll hit Apply. Under Resources, we'll verify our storage capacity, and we'll hit Apply again. And we'll make sure that we get a bunch of green check marks here. Alright, and we're looking good here, so we'll hit Next. We'll click Finish. And now we can see our Island Service Provider under the Backup Infrastructure tab. We can also take a look at Backup Repositories and see our new cloud repository, along with the capacity and the free space of that repository. In our next video, we'll walk through creating a backup copy job to start sending data over to this new backup repository.